On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be exploring Yanaka Ginza. Yanaka Ginza is a shopping street in a special ward of Tokyo that was unaffected by the bombings and air raids during World War II. Visiting this traditional shopping street will make you experience a life of Tokyo from many years ago and will leave you with a nostalgic feeling and a sense of an old-school Tokyo vibe. Yanaka Ginza is located in one of Tokyo's most traditional districts. You can find temples, shrines, amazing street food, restaurants, and many narrow streets for lots of exploring. You will find a more traditional life and architecture with a very retro ambience compared to the modern metropolitan parts of Tokyo. Apart from the shopping street, the whole Yanaka area offers so much to explore and see. If you are looking to find one of the most aged parts of Tokyo, and if you are on an adventure to find a more traditional Japan, this is the perfect place. Join us as we explore Yanaka Ginza and the beautiful surrounding areas.
When you're in Japan, get a Passmo card for the subway. It's very convenient. It's like a card you just tap on one of those. It's very fast. And now Eileen's gonna load it.
Which right here.
So we got English.
Passmo. Charge it. Insert your card.
So it's like easy for anyone to use. Just put 1,000 on there.
Yeah.
And that's it. It's easy.
Get your change back.
Let's go. We just got off the first subway that we're taking. We saw a bakery on the way and it all looks so amazing. What's that one, babe? Like
I don't know.
Potato
this
and
looks like potato and sausage.
Oh.
At least I hope that's what it is.
This has like crab in it. I honestly kind of want like that hot dog one there. This is like ham and cheese. It all looks so good. Even this one here. And this one's kind of like, I think there's a sausage in there. This one looks really good too. I think that's like, it looks like it's like a breaded chicken or something.
Look at that one.
I know, right?
What do you think?
Do you think this one's like potato and cheese or something? Then you can just, if you want, you can take it to go with you or just kind of like eat it behind here. Is that what we're getting?
Yes.
I love how like there's just so much food to choose from and you don't know what. And you just eat and eat all day. Because you want to try it all. It's all new.
Yanaka Ginza is made up of small stores offering traditional Japanese snacks, homemade meals, sweets, clothing, souvenirs, and more. Its location is just a short walk from Nippori Station on the JR Yamanote line. Make sure to enjoy the delicious snacks like the various types of tempura, karage chicken, while enjoying alcohol like sake or some refreshing Japanese beer. You can sit down and enjoy a meal, or grab some of these snacks and enjoy them on the sides of the streets like the locals do. Yanaka is one of the few parts of Tokyo where the old town ambience of Tokyo's past decades still exists. As a tourist, you will see how locals gather, live, shop, spend time with each other, and experience the vibes of local activities. You should come to Yanaka if you want to escape the bustling modern city of Tokyo and experience a rustic, retro feeling preserved in this relaxing, quiet neighborhood. You will experience a more relaxed and calm feeling compared to the big city. Yanaka Ginza may be a short shopping street, but the amount of exploring goes far beyond it. The temples, shrines, cemeteries, alleyways, and residential streets will keep up your curiosity to explore more and more.
I find it funny how like mini and small the trucks here are for like transportation of goods and stuff. Like that's so tiny. It's like tiny and cute. I can't read it though.
I say in English right there.
Oh, it's a temple. Buddhist temple. It's very beautiful. It's so like just interesting to see because it's so different from what we used to back at home. Oh, look at that house. Wow. We're just heading up to the entrance right now. Does it look old school to you?
It looks pretty old school.
Right. It's gonna be exciting to explore around here. Oh wow. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. I'm excited to explore. Want something from here?
I'm thirsty.
What do they got? So this is like where we're staying. Doesn't that cost like one? Right? Wow. Chopsticks? What is this here? Oh, they have like some tempura. They have. We got.
Shrimp?
Yeah, shrimp. We got a shrimp, and then there's like a lotus tempura.
It's lotus.
The lotus root?
Oh.
You never had it? It's really good. I'll try it. It's like filled with something. How's yours?
Okay.
Yeah? You want to try it? And then we got a piece of chicken.
Oh, yeah, this is good.
It is good? All this selection of beers here. I'm gonna try one. Beer. Strong zeros. It's so colorful.
This place looks super popular too. Don't know what it is, but yeah.
You want to go in?
And more water comes out of the dragon. With those.
Oh.
And here's where you take your shoes off and go and pray in there.
Oh, okay.
At the base.
It's really nice though. Love these trees. It's definitely different compared to where we're staying. It's more like old school, Not as modern. Wow, look at that. Yeah, way more green, huh?
Yeah.
This might be a school, huh?
Yeah.
It's elementary or kindergarten. All right, this is like a really nice looking shrine. We just kind of stumbled upon it walking through the alleyways. It's very, very beautiful. Wow.
Many people think that you can find here what has disappeared from the modern parts of Tokyo. Yanaka is the perfect place to escape the busy modern life of Tokyo, enjoy great food, relax, and take in the traditional atmosphere. I hope that you will join us on our next adventure in Tokyo.